Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel programming on your AUTOSUN2 kit to return to factory settings. Note that the double cutout needs to be performed only on the motor concerned. Factory settings can be useful in case of programming error or, for instance, incorrect and limit settings, when these cannot be modified via the remote control. It's very easy to return to factory settings. First, disconnect the solar panel from the motor. Then, perform the double cutout between the battery and the motor. To do this, disconnect the battery from the motor for 2 seconds. Reconnect the battery to the motor for 7 seconds. Then disconnect the battery again from the motor for 2 seconds. Finally, restore the connection. The motor is now in programming cancellation mode. The motor will then react. It can react in 2 different ways. In the upper or lower and limit position, the motor will make a short rotation. In any other position, the motor will turn for 5 seconds in the same direction. To confirm this programming cancellation step, press the prog button on your transmitter for more than 7 seconds, until your motor responds with a short rotation in one direction and then in the other. A few seconds later, the motor reacts again by making a short rotation in one direction and then in the other. The motor memory is now completely empty and reset to factory settings. You can now reconnect your solar panel to your motor.